Let us begin with gently closing the body eyes and feeling ourselves drop into this space together. Feeling ourselves really relax into this space. So, to relax, we begin to notice how the body is positioned. And perhaps we adjust it in a little way, or perhaps even a big way. There is no suggested position. You can lay down, you can sit up, you can stand, you can move if you want. But in this moment, checking in with the body and just asking it what it needs in this moment. And trusting that whatever answer you receive is exactly right. Bringing attention to the breath here. So a slow, deep inhalation through the nose. Once you've reached the top of the breath, just holding the breath for just a moment before then slowly releasing the breath. And again, inhaling slowly, as slow as you can. Try to see how slow you can go. Whenever you get to the top of the inhale, pausing before exhaling. And really using this opening, slow breathing to come into the intention of this space, which is love. This today is a meditation all about love. So just hearing that word that I share, love, letting that wash over you, preparing yourself without effort for what lie ahead in this meditation. Perhaps one more breath, slowly in through the nose. And then out through the mouth. Placing one hand over the heart space. Feeling the beat of the heart under the hand. As you tune into that simple feeling of the hand over the heart, the nurturing, comforting warmth of that, I'd like to invite you to notice your face and notice if there's any tension in the face. And if there is, let the face be loose and relaxed. Continuing to place the hand on the heart, just feel that warmth. Move the awareness down to the shoulders and the back and the neck. And see if there's any tension there, and if so, just let it go. So if you're sitting upright, you're still upright, but it's with a different kind of quality to it. So it's a relaxed upright. It's a loose upright. And then moving the attention down to the place where you're touching the earth. So either your seat or your feet if you're standing. bringing the awareness to the place that is touching, that is closest to Mother Earth, and just sending a wave of relaxation out through that area. Continuing to have one hand on the heart. And what we're doing here is preparing the body to receive love. When we have tension in the body, it's a kind of physical manifestation of a block to receiving love. And so what we're doing here is removing those blocks. So scanning the whole body now, is there any other points that you need to bring awareness to that perhaps energetically it's manifesting as some kind of tightness or tension? And maybe not. Maybe you feel perfectly loose. And if that's the case, awesome. And just breathing into that looseness. But if there is a space that feels a bit tight, and you don't even have to think about it, it's just a knowing, like, oh, this spot is tight somehow. Just breathing into that place, letting it relax. And then on your next inhalation, I'd like to invite you to take the biggest inhale you've taken all day. And as you inhale, I'd like to invite you to inhale love from the universe. Pulling it into your heart on the inhale, filling your whole being with this radiant love. See it shimmering in your fingers and your toes as you inhale, in your belly. And then as you exhale, just rest in that. So again, when you inhale all the love from the universe, all the love that you're ready to receive as much as possible. Yes, you're worthy, you're worth it. And then as you exhale, resting in that love. Continuing this inhaling and exhaling at your own pace now. Really taking this time to enjoy. If you continue to inhale and you feel any resistance, or if you feel the mind wandering, that's okay. Totally normal. Just simply bring the attention back and pull in some more love to your heart. This love is for you. This love is you. And as you exhale, let yourself really rest. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Just feeling it. Feel that love. Now gently bringing the hands, both hands down by the sides or resting gently on the lap. And now with your heart uncovered, continuing to breathe in the love, breathing it first into the chest, into the heart space. As you continue to inhale, drawing it into all the parts of your body, visualizing the love is spreading through the arms and the legs and the head. Wiping clean all sorrow. And then exhaling, resting in the light, the love. And now bringing both hands in towards heart center in prayer position. Let's take a moment and say thank you to ourselves. Thank you to yourself. Thank yourself for making the space to meditate. You chose self-care, receiving love this morning. Giving yourself a little moment of gratitude for your practice. And then sending out some gratitude to someone in our community, anyone at all that comes to mind, and just sending them some gratitude for their being. Sending them some love. Whenever you're ready, we can open our beautiful eyes. I hope that meditation was bringing you so much love. Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into this video today. I appreciate you. If you are wanting, needing, desiring some extra support and inspiration in your life right now, please do check out my membership group, Waking Up with Anya. The link is here on the screen and also in the description box below. Take good care, and I look forward to meeting with you more.